Let's explore random number generation in JavaScript. We will cover secure cryptographic random number generation, efficient pseudorandom generation, and the wide range of applications where random numbers are used. The Math.random function in JavaScript generates pseudorandom numbers. It uses a pseudorandom number generator or PRNG algorithm. This function returns a floating point number between 0, inclusive, and 1 exclusive. It uses a deterministic algorithm to generate seemingly random values. Importantly, the numbers generated are not cryptographically secure and can be predictable with enough samples. Also, the implementation of this function can differ across JavaScript engines. Here is an example of basic usage of Math.random and how we can visualize its distribution. Often, we need random numbers within a specific range, not just between 0 and 1. To generate a random number between a minimum and maximum value, we can use the formula Math.random, multiplied by the difference between maximum and minimum, plus the minimum value. This will generate a random floating point number between the minimum, inclusive, and the maximum, exclusive. To generate a random integer between a minimum and maximum value, both inclusive, you can use the formula math.floor, math.random, multiplied by the difference between maximum and minimum plus 1, plus the minimum value. Here we use math.floor function to round down to the nearest integer. When generating numbers for security purposes, the math.random function is not suitable. For cryptographically secure random numbers, you should use the Web Crypto API. You can use crypto.getRandomValues to generate cryptographically secure random numbers. This function provides cryptographically secure random values using system-level entropy sources. This is suitable for generating encryption keys, security tokens, and other sensitive data. It is available in all modern browsers and Node.js environments. Math.random is not cryptographically secure, but is faster and simpler to use. Whereas crypto.getRandomValues is cryptographically secure but slower and more complex. Always use crypto.getRandomValues for security-critical applications. Random numbers have many practical applications. In games and simulations, random numbers are perfect for dice rolls, card shuffling, and random events. Here is an example of how to shuffle an array. In security applications, these numbers can be used to generate secure tokens, temporary passwords, and session IDs. This code shows how to generate a secure random ID. For testing and data generation, random numbers are used to create random test data and mock scenarios. This example code generates random user data. Finally, for learning and education, random numbers can be used to generate practice problems and quiz questions. This example code generates a math problem. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.